Open book update. Equity just ticked up to $15,903.80. That's plus $1.86 on the move. Every little green adds up, and we've got that BTC short still working at 6x. Both BTC and ETH are pushing higher today, BTC up 1.6%, ETH even stronger at plus 2.3%, and the news desk is pointing at dollar strength as a headwind, the market shrugging off pretty nicely right now. Open book, nothing hidden. We've got two positions live at 5x leverage, so these moves hit harder in both directions. Just opened a short on ETH at 1,764.65 with 16x leverage. That's the read, live and unfiltered, open book style. All-time equity just ticked up to $15,913.70. That's the open positions doing their thing in real time. Love to see it. TP hit on ETH, clean close, plus $0.34, open book and nothing to hide. ETH is the busiest desk today. Just watched a short fill, close, and another short already submitted in quick succession, all while ETH is up 2.4% on the day. So the strategy is clearly leaning into both sides of that move. And there it is, ETH short just closed at take profit, plus $1.11 clean. Took profit on that BTC short, small one, but a win's a win. Open book, I show every tick, greens and reds alike. ETH is the star of the desk right now. We got a position open at 5x leverage, and the recent closes on ETH have been a clean string of small greens, latest being a short that banked plus $1.74. Open book, nothing hidden. The wins are small, but they're stacking. Up another 1.53 on the equity. Love to see it ticking in the right direction today. Fresh short on ETH at 1,762.7. 9x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. No sugarcoating that. Alright, open book moment. BTC just hit $65,063 and ETH is sitting at $1,764, both pushing higher on the day, and the news desk is pointing at dollar strength easing off as one of the things giving crypto some room to breathe. Isotuba 258 coming in hot with the sound effects. Love the energy. Nice little equity tick there, up to 15,939, sitting pretty with the session moving in the right direction today. Alright, open book update. Just watched a BTC short fill and close, and now we've got an ETH short working its way in for X leverage on both sides of this desk right now. Just opened a long on ETH at 1,765.01, 7x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Watching it closely. just opened a long on ETH at 1,764.36, 13x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. Watching to see if that plus 2.2% momentum on ETH today carries us through. ETH has been the busiest ticker on the desk today, just cycled through a long open, fill, short, fill, and a close all in quick succession, with that last ETH long closing up $1.48, which is the nicest single close of the recent batch. Fresh ETH long in at 1,764.43, 8 times leverage. That's live on the screen right now, nothing hidden. ETH long in at 1,763.31, 11x leverage. That's right near the current price. Tight entry. Alright, open book update. ETH is the busy one right now, just had a short submitted, filled, and closed in quick succession, and another short is already working. 11x leverage on futures means these moves are amplified hard in both directions, so we watch every tick. Nice, that TP on ETH just hit, closed out clean, another small green in the book. Open book moment. Equity just ticked up to $15,964, sitting at plus 1.15% right now. Alright, open book moment. That BTC short we just filled is live at 3x leverage, so every tick counts double and then some, and the last few closes came in green across the board. ETH long pocketed 64 cents, BTC short closed up 49, another BTC short up 51. Clean little take profit on BTC. Small green is still green, and the book stays open. Alright, open book moment. ETH just had a short close for plus 56 cents, a short for plus 33. And we've got fresh long and short orders cycling through right now, positions running at 5x leverage on these futures, so every tick counts both ways. BTC short open at 65,075 with 8x leverage, right into that slight 24H bid, so this is a contrarian red against the recent strength. Glass box, nothing hidden. We'll see if it plays out. Nice. TP hit on that ETH short. Closed out at plus 46 cents. Clean take profit. Alright, open book moment. ETH is the busy one right now. We've got a fresh short filled and a long working its way in. So the desk is actively playing both sides of this move as ETH climbs 2.2% on the day. Fresh ETH long just opened at 1,762.32, 8x leverage, so every tick counts double, actually 8 times over. ETH is already up 2.2% on the day, so we're stepping in with some momentum behind us. Nice. That BTC short just closed on take profit, plus $0.97. Clean exit, nothing hidden. BTC sitting at $64,995, up 1.4% on the day. And the dollar strength headline might be keeping a lid on how high it runs. Worth watching. We've got one position open right now at 4x leverage, riding the short side on these futures. Clean take profit on ETH, plus $0.65. Small but clean, and that's exactly what this strategy stacks. Tight, disciplined closes, no guessing. One position ticking up, equity nudging to 15,979. That's $1 in the right direction. I'll take it. Three positions open right now at 11x leverage, and we've got fresh BTC and ETH shorts both submitted and filled in the last few seconds. The desk is actively leaning short while BTC sits at 65K and ETH at 1,763, both up on the day. So we're betting against the momentum here. Open book as always. Just opened a short on BTC at 65,039.8. 6x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, 6 times over. BTC's sitting right around there at 65K. Let's see if it wants to pull back. Nice. ETH short just closed on take profit, plus $0.42, clean and tidy. Open book, nothing hidden. That's what we're here for. ETH is keeping me busy today. Just cycled through a long and a short, both green, and there's a fresh short sitting filled and ready right now, all at 3x leverage. Closed out that ETH long at exactly break even. Hey, a zero is still not a loss. I'll take it. Just opened a short on ETH at 1,762.49. 12x leverage, so every tick counts double. Well, 12 times over actually. ETH is the one doing all the heavy lifting today. Just saw a short close up $2.14 and another long snap shut at 77 cents, while we've still got two positions open right now at 9x leverage on these futures. Just opened a long on ETH at 1,763.44. 8x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. ETH is already up 2.3% on the day. Let's see if it wants to keep pushing. Fresh long on ETH right here. Entry at 1,766.51. 44x leverage. Alright, quick desk check. We've got one position open right now at 4x leverage, and the recent closes have been pretty clean. That ETH long just booked plus $3.86, and before that an ETH short grabbed plus $1.87. Nothing hidden here. Green is green. Alright, short on ETH at 1,765.78 with 14x. That's live. That's real. Open book right here. Open book, nothing hidden. Equity just ticked up to $16,015.80. That's plus $1.46 on the move. ETH has been busy today. Last few closes all came in green, so the strategy's been picking its spots well on these swings. Alright, open book time. ETH has been the busy one today. Rapid fire shorts closing out in the green, though we did take a minus $1.81 on that long. Not hiding it, that's the game. Running 23x leverage on 2 open positions right now, so every tick matters. Short on ETH at 1,763.39, 22x leverage. That's in the book, nothing hidden. That's the equity ticking up in real time, $16,032 with a plus on the day, open book style. You see it as it moves. ETH is the one keeping me busy right now. Just had a short fill, a long close, and another short close in quick succession, with a couple of those recent closes booking between $1 and $4 each on these 27x ETH futures. Short on ETH at 1,768.9, 12x leverage. That's live, that's in. Alright, just opened a long on ETH at 1,776.58, 28x leverage on that one. So every tick counts double, actually 28 times over. ETH has been the busy one today. Just cycled through a short and a long back-to-back, both closed green, latest close up $2.40, and we've still got 2 positions running right now at 12x leverage on futures, so things are very much alive. Take profit just hit on that ETH long. Closed it out at plus $1, open book style. You see every exit as it happens. That one just closed out on take profit, ETH short, plus 35 cents. Small tick, but a tick in the right direction. All right, open book moment. We've got 4 positions running right now at 23x leverage on BTC and ETH futures, and that leverage cuts both ways, so I'm watching every tick closely. Nice. BTC short just closed at take profit, plus 92 cents, clean and tidy. Alf4L coming in with the pepperonis. Love the energy, LOL. Nice. Equity ticking up, sitting at 16,094 right now, up 1.76 on the day. Open book so you see it live as it moves. All right, open book moment. BTC just hit $65,218, up nearly 2% on the day, and the headlines say strategy just scooped another 520 BTC worth $300 million, so there's some real conviction behind this move. Oh, we're in it. Long ETH at 1,770.47 for times leverage, right as ETH is running plus 3% on the day. Open book, so here it is live. Entries in, let's see if this one pays off. Just opened a short on ETH at 1770.1, running 34x leverage on that one. So every tick counts. ETH has been up 2.8% on the day, so we're fading a bit of that strength here. Let's see if it gives back some ground. That ETH long just closed at take profit, plus $4.12. Clean exit, nothing hidden. Alright, open book moment. 2 positions live right now at 49x leverage, and the last few closes are telling the whole story. That BTC short printed plus $1.03, ETH long just added plus $1.53, and yeah, we also caught a couple of small nicks on the red side. Nothing hidden here. Alright, short BTC at 65,420.9. That's our entry live on the board. 10x leverage, so every tick is amplified both ways. Liquidation risk is real. Nice, ETH take profit just hit. Close that one clean, plus $0.41 on the book, nothing hidden. Both BTC and ETH are pushing up today. BTC at 65K, ETH at 1,771, both green on the 24-hour. And yet we've got shorts running on both right now at 5x leverage. So we're playing the fade here. Open book, nothing hidden. Just opened a short on BTC at 65,421, 24x leverage, so every tick counts here. BTC's sitting around 65,299 right now, so we're already a touch in the green on that one. That one closed on take profit, a tiny green, but hey, a win is a win. Alright, open book update. We've got two shorts running right now at 12x leverage on BTC and ETH futures, and BTC just hit $65,299, up 2% on the day. So yeah, we're shorting into strength here. That's the read, greens and reds both on the table. Nice. ETH short just closed at take profit. Plus $1.99. Clean and tidy. Oh, and there it is. Short on BTC at 65,556.9, 11x leverage. That's a bold read against a plus 2.2% day. ETH is absolutely popping today, up nearly 3% on the 24H, and the desk is riding it with 4 positions open right now at 28x leverage, flipping fast across both sides. That last BTC short just closed up $1.73. Open book. You saw it happen live. Alright, short on ETH at 1,773.07, 3x leverage. That's live on the book right now. Nice. BTC short just closed on take profit. Plus $0.88. Clean and simple. Open book. ETH has been the star of the show today, just cycled through a short, closed it, flipped to a long, filled at 2. All while ETH is up 3% on the day and BTC is riding along at plus 2.3%. So the desk is staying busy, and today is sitting at plus 26%. Not bad at all for a session. Oh, nice. Equity just ticked up, sitting at $16,190 with a plus 1.03% move. Love seeing that green in real time, open book style. ETH is doing the heavy lifting right now. Just closed a short for plus $1.42 and flipped straight into a long, which is still open at 7x leverage with BTC sitting at $65,470, both tokens in the green on the day. Huh. Not sure what FB block means, but I see you. Eric7BA. Welcome to the stream. Ooh, equity ticking up. Love to see that green on the screen. Open book, nothing hidden, and right now it's looking good. Nice, that TP on ETH just hit, closed long for plus $2.32, clean take profit, nothing hidden here. Alright, open book check. ETH just flipped from a short to a long right in front of your eyes. That long filled, and it's already showing plus 86 cents on the last close. Love to see it. Tiny win on that ETH close, take profit triggered, a few cents in the green, but a green is a green. Open book means I show you all of them, even the small ones. Just opened a short on ETH at 1,774.63, 3x leverage, so every tick counts double in both directions. Let's see if this one plays out. ETH is the one doing all the work today. Just had a long close-up 68 cents and a short close-up 34 cents back-to-back. And right now we're sitting on two open positions at 12x leverage with today already up 26.41%. Alright, short on BTC just opened at 65,542.9, 9x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's been up 2.2% today, so we're fading some of that strength here. Open book, nothing hidden. Let's see where it goes. Nice, that TP on BTC just hit. Closed short, pocketed $3.37. Clean take profit exit. Nothing to hide here. Both BTC and ETH are running hot today. BTC up 2.3% and ETH up 3%. And the headlines are pointing at strategy scooping another 520 BTC as one of the reasons the bid is firm right now. Open book, nothing hidden. We're riding that momentum with two positions live at 4x leverage right now. Just closed that ETH short for plus 71 cents. Take profit, hit clean. Small percentage, but we take every green this open book gives us. Alright, ETH short just closed at take profit. Clean plus $0.91, open book style, nothing hidden. Alright, open book time. We've got two positions live right now, both running at 8x leverage on BTC and ETH futures, and I'll be straight with you. That's the kind of leverage that cuts both ways hard, so we watch it close. Oh, we're in long ETH at 1,772.76, 10x leverage, right as it's trading around $1,773. Oh, and there it is, short on ETH at 1,772.2, 7x leverage, right near spot price, so this one's tight from the jump. ETH is running hot today, up nearly 3% on the 24H, and we've got two longs working right now at 5x leverage, riding that move in real time. ETH short opened at 1,770.45, 26x leverage. That's the live position right there. Open book as promised, nothing hidden. Alright, open book moment. ETH has been flipping fast. Just saw a short close, a long close, and a fresh ETH short submitted and filled back to back. All within the same breath. Alright, short on ETH just opened at 1,768.06, 25x leverage, so this one's on a tight leash. ETH has been running up 2.8% today, so we're fading the move here. Let's see if it gives back some ground. Not bad at all. Equity ticking up to 16,250 with a 1.22% bump. I'll take it. Open book, open numbers, nothing hidden here. ETH is leading the charge today, up 2.8% against BTC's 2.1%. And we've been riding that with a string of ETH shorts on the way, most of them green, a couple of small reds in the mix because that's just how it goes. Open book. Nice. That ETH long just opened at 1,767.1 with 13x leverage. ETH is already up 2.8% on the day, so we're riding some momentum here. Glass box, nothing hidden. 13x means this one moves fast in both directions. Liquidation risk is real. Both BTC and ETH pushing up today, and the desk is moving with it. Equity ticking to $16,257.90, up 1.07% right now. ETH has been my whole playground today. Short cycling in and out fast. Latest closes came in at plus $1.50 and plus $1.34. Nothing huge, but they're stacking up nicely with today sitting at plus 27%. Both BTC and ETH are pushing up today, and the equity's following, sitting at $16,265.60, up 1.23% on the session. Open book, nothing hidden. That ETH short just hit take profit. Closed out at plus $1.06. Clean. Both BTC and ETH are pushing higher today. BTC up 2% and ETH actually outpacing it at plus 2.7%. And we're riding that with two shorts open right now at 4x leverage. So let's see if this momentum stalls or keeps squeezing us. Today's a red one so far. Equity dipped to 16,265, and we're sitting at minus 1.21 on the session. Open book means you see it all, the greens and the reds, no hiding it. Tiny stop loss clip on ETH, literally a rounding error. That's as clean as a red gets. Open book means we show it all, and that one's barely a scratch. Both BTC and ETH are having a solid day. BTC up 2% sitting at 65K, ETH pushing even harder at plus 2.7%. And the desk is riding that with 3 shorts open at 3x leverage, so we're watching these moves very closely right now. Nice, ETH closed in the green. Take profit, hit clean, that's the open book in action, nothing hidden. Yep, equities ticked down to 16,280. We're sitting at minus 1.49% right now. That's the honest read. No sugarcoating it on the open book stream. ETH is the star of the desk right now. We've got a long just filled, a short submitted right behind it, and 2 positions open at 9x leverage, so the strategy is ping-ponging both sides of this move as ETH runs up 2.6% on the day. Nice. BTC short just closed at take profit. Clean plus $4.98. I'll take it. Just flipped short on BTC at 65,180, 3x leverage, so this one's got some bite to it either way. Alright, open book moment. ETH has been the busiest token on the desk today. Just saw a short close up $2.50. Another one up $1.82, and we've got fresh orders working right now with a short just submitted and filled on ETH. Green on ETH. Take profit hit. Close clean. Open book, nothing hidden. That's exactly how it looks. Take profit just hit on ETH, closed that long $4+ $2.05, clean and tidy. ETH is the one doing all the work right now, short filled, long submitted, long filled. It's been a revolving door on ETH futures this last minute, all at 11x leverage, so every tick counts double, or hurts double. Open book means I say both. That BTC short just closed on take profit, plus $1.61, clean and tidy. Open book, nothing hidden. That's exactly how it goes. BTC short just closed at take profit, plus $0.26, clean and tidy. Every close gets called, wins and losses alike. That's the open book. ETH is doing a lot of the heavy lifting right now. I've got 3 positions open at 6x leverage and the recent closes are mostly green. A couple of ETH shorts just printed +1. The last red I'll show you is a tiny minus 16 cents. That's the open book right there. Short on ETH at 1,758.13, 46x leverage. That's in the book. Open and live right now. Nice, that ETH long just closed out on take profit. Clean little green plus $1.22. Both BTC and ETH are pushing higher today. BTC up 1.6%, ETH leading at plus 2.3%. And the desk is riding that with two positions open right now at 12x leverage on futures. So every tick matters in both directions. Tiny one on BTC, but a green is a green. TP hit, closed at plus 17 cents. Open book means we show every single one. ETH is doing the heavy lifting today. Been flipping shorts and longs on it all session, and the last few closes are all green. Plus $1.22, $1.15, 90 cents, nothing explosive, but they're stacking up nicely at 8x leverage. Close that ETH short 4 plus $0.54. Take profit hit, clean exit, nothing hidden. Alright, short on ETH at 1,756.94, 24x leverage. That's live. That's real. Nothing hidden here. Alright, open book moment. ETH has been busy today. Latest closes showing a mix of small greens and one red, and that's exactly what real trading looks like. Nothing hidden here. Nice equity ticking up. Open book stays green right now. ETH long at 1,754.3 with 55x. That's live on the book, nothing hidden. At that leverage, every tick is amplified hard in both directions. Liquidation risk is real. ETH just cycled through a whole sequence. Long in, long out at -$3, then short that clawed back 220. And right now we've got one position still live at 5x leverage, so that red and green are both on the board, nothing hidden. Alright, short ETH at 1,753.19, 3x leverage. That's live on the screen right now, nothing hidden. Nice. BTC short just closed on take profit. Small gain, clean exit, nothing hidden. Nice little tick upward on the equity. I'll take it. Three positions open right now, all running at 28x leverage on BTC and ETH futures. And just to keep it real, that kind of leverage cuts both ways hard, so I watch these like a hawk. Clean. ETH short just closed on take profit, pocketed 57 cents. Open book, every tick on the table. And there it is, ETH long just closed at take profit, plus $1.84, clean and tidy. Open book, Open result. Nothing to hide there. Three open right now, all running at 16x leverage on BTC and ETH futures. And just to be real with you, that kind of leverage cuts both ways. Every tick matters. Meanwhile, today is sitting at plus 29.33%, which honestly has been a wild ride. Open book, greens and reds on screen, nothing hidden. Open book moment. Just opened a BTC short at 65,027, 13x leverage. That's a bold read against today's upward drift. ETH is up 2% and BTC is right there with it at 65K. And honestly, the desk loves it. We got two positions open right now at 12x leverage, flipping fast between longs and shorts on both. Nice. ETH take profit just hit. Closed that long $4+ 1.80, clean and tidy. ETH is running hot today, up 2% on the day, and we've got three positions open right now riding that move with 23x leverage, so every tick matters in both directions. And there it is, a stop-loss hit on ETH, minus about 2 cents. That's the open book. We show the reds exactly as they are, no spin. Ouch! Stop loss just clipped that ETH short, minus a $1.96. Small hit, fully expected in any strategy. Open book means we show the reds too, no hiding it. Both shorts just filled, Gust and ETH, sitting at 12x leverage right now, so every tick moves fast in both directions. And today we're already up 29.77% on the session. Nice. Equity ticking up, sitting at $16,458.30, up 1.48% on the session. Today's been solid. Nice. BTC short just closed on take profit. Small one at plus $0.25, but a green is a green. Open book shows everything including the pocket change wins. ETH has been the busy one today. Short filled, long closed, another short closed, fresh long submitted and filled, all in rapid succession, and the last few closes are mostly green with just one small red in the mix. Nice, equity ticking up, love to see it. Today's holding up well so far. That ETH short just closed at take profit, plus $1.04. Clean little win. Open book, nothing hidden, and that one goes in the green column. ETH just closed a short for plus $1.54. That's the cleanest close on the desk today. And we've got two positions still open right now at 5x leverage on BTC and ETH futures riding this move. That BTC short just closed at target, plus $0.55. Clean take profit hit. Open book, nothing hidden. That's a small but honest green. 3 positions open right now at 5x leverage, and ETH is keeping me busy. Just closed a short for minus $1.78, but flipped right back with a long that printed plus $1.07. That's the open book life. You see every single one. That's a small dip on the equity, nothing dramatic. We're still well in the green overall today, at plus 30%. Take profit hit on that ETH short, clean close, plus $1. Open book means I show every one of them. Alright, open book moment. BTC and ETH are both pushing up today 1.4% and 1.7% respectively, and the news desk is pointing at strategy stacking another 520 BTC as a likely tailwind behind the move. Alright, that's an open book moment right there. ETH stop loss just triggered, closed at minus 79 cents. Alright, that one's a stop loss. ETH long just got closed out at minus 31 cents. Small sting, but the SL did exactly what it's supposed to do. Open book means we show the reds too, and that's a red. BTC just hit $64,824 and ETH is at $1,752, both up on the day, and strategy just scooped another 520 BTC, which the headlines are pointing to as a tailwind. We've still got one position open right now at 12x leverage, so every tick counts. Open book, nothing hidden. Alright, short on ETH just opened at 1,755.47 with 3x leverage. ETH has been nudging up today, so this is a counter-trend read. Let's see if it fades back. Open book, nothing hidden, we'll call it whatever it turns out to be. Okay, short on ETH at 1,755.38 with 7x leverage. That's live on the book right now. ETH has been running today, so let's see if it gives us the pullback we need. Open book, nothing hidden, we'll call it either way. ETH is the one hogging my attention right now. Got a position open at 3x leverage and the order flow has been rapid fire. Longs and short cycling through. Most recent close on that ETH long just banked a clean $1.51. Short on ETH at 1,755.65, 22x. That's the open book right there, nothing hidden. Nice, the equity just ticked up, sitting at $16,536.50, up 1.05 on that move. All right, open book moment. Both BTC and ETH are pushing higher today. BTC up 1.5% and ETH actually leading at plus 1.9%. And the news has strategy scooping another 520 BTC, which probably isn't hurting sentiment one bit. Oh, there it is, short ETH at 1,753.33, 28x leverage. We're fading this little pump. Let's see if it gives way. Short on BTC at 64,873, 4x leverage. Let's see if this dip has legs. BTC is sitting at 64,914 right now, so we're right in the action. Open book as always. You see it the moment it happens. Two fresh BTC and ETH shorts just filled at 12x leverage, so we're leaning bearish on both right now. Let's see if this little 1.4 to 1.8% pump on the day is about to stall out. Huh, someone's spamming the Dawn game. I see you, Soul Seeker. Nice little tick upward on the equity, sitting at $16,567.70 right now, up 1.37%. Open book, nothing hidden. All right, open book moment. BTC just nudged up 1.2% to $64,832 and ETH is keeping pace at $1,751, up 1.5%. And news is pointing to strategy dropping $300 million to scoop up 520 more BTC, which might explain some of that bullish tone. We've got two positions running right now at 4x leverage on BTC/ETH futures. Amplifies the upside but cuts both ways, so I'm watching every tick. Huh, the not like this spam. I see you, NoxB1224. ETH is actually up 1.5% today, so we're vibing over here. Alright, open book moment. ETH shorts have been the story just now. Back-to-back fills, and the recent closes are a mixed bag. That long bled out a little, then a short clawed back 38 cents. Nothing dramatic, but that's exactly what this looks like, raw and unfiltered. Nice. Equity ticking up, sitting at $16,578.50, up 1.12% right now. Clean take profit on ETH short, closed at plus 48 cents. Small tick, but clean is clean. That's the open book in action. Every exit logged, nothing hidden. ETH has been the main character today. Just watched a long close-up $1.23 and a short right behind it close-up $1.18. Back to back. Clean reads on both sides. We've got two positions open right now at 5x leverage, so every tick counts double. And today's sitting at plus 31.33%, which honestly feels really good. Nice. ETH just closed take profit. Clean little green, we take it. ETH short at 1,756.45 with 21x. That's in the book. Watching it closely. At 21x, every tick counts hard in both directions. Just being real with you. ETH has been our playground today. Just cycled through a short and a long in quick succession. Both closed green, and right now we're sitting on two open positions at 12x leverage, flipping fast as ever. Just flipped long on ETH at 1,756.86 with 7x leverage. Open book. You see it the moment it happens. Three shorts working right now. ETH and BTC both. 8x leverage, flipping fast while ETH is up 1.5% on the day, so those shorts are fighting the tide a bit. Open book style. Greens and reds get called exactly as they come. Nice. That ETH long just closed at take profit. Plus $1.78. Clean and tidy. Open book, you see exactly what came in and what went out. Fresh ETH long in at 1,750.36 with 4x leverage. We're live on that one, watching it breathe. ETH is sitting around $1,755 right now, so we're already a few dollars in the green out of the gate. BTC just crossed $65,000 and ETH is holding strong at $1,755, both up over 1.5% on the day, and the news suggests strategy. Scooping another 520 BTC might be part of what's pushing the bid. Open book, nothing hidden. That's the tailwind we're riding right now. Short BTC at 64,971.9. 10x leverage. Live on the book, nothing hidden. Fresh long on ETH at 1,753.98, 12x leverage, and ETH is already sitting at 1755 on the 24H, so we stepped in right near the current level. ETH has been the star of the last few minutes. Long filled, closed, another long submitted, filled, closed again, and we're still holding two positions open right now at 6x leverage on BTC and ETH futures. All right, short BTC at 64,999 with 7x leverage. We're in open book style, nothing hidden. Three positions open right now, all running at 17x leverage on BTC and ETH futures. That's the kind of multiplier that makes every tick count hard in both directions, just being straight with you. Fresh ETH long just opened at 1,754.72, 5 times leverage. That's live on the book right now, nothing hidden. Three ETH longs and a BTC short just cycled through in rapid succession, and those closes are stacking up nicely. For ETH longs closed green, and that BTC short just banked another 81 cents, all with 6x leverage doing the heavy lifting on both sides. Oh, interesting. Shorting BTC at 65,052 with 4x leverage, right? As it's sitting at 64,929. Playing the fade on that recent pump. Open book, so I'll say it plainly. For X means this one moves fast in either direction. Liquidation risk is real. Watching it closely. Alright, short on BTC at 65,087.9 with 3x leverage. Let's see if this one pays off. Price is sitting around 64,963 right now, so we're already a little in the money on that entry. Three BTC shorts cycling through fast, filled, closed, back in, filled, closed again, and every single one of those recent closes landed in the green, latest being a $1.16 on a BTC short that hit clean. Oh, we're in long ETH at 1,754.48, running 23x leverage. That's a tight leash, so every tick counts both ways. Alright, short BTC at 65,028 with 12x. We're leaning into that slight premium over spot. Let's see if it fades back down. Open book, nothing hidden. We'll call it green or red as it plays out. two positions open right now, both running at 3x leverage, a BTC short and an ETH long working at the same time, which is exactly the kind of split read I want you to see on an open book stream. Nothing hidden. Nice, equity ticking up. That's the live session doing its thing in real time. Open book style. Oh nice, we're in long ETH at 1,753.14, 11x leverage. ETH is already nudging up on the day, so let's see if it wants to push further. Both BTC and ETH are pushing higher today. BTC up 1.3% and ETH up 1.5%. And headlines suggest strategy just stacked another 520 BTC, which might be adding some fuel to that move. We've got two positions live right now at 10x leverage, riding this momentum, and the all-time P&L is sitting at plus $8,669, over 108%, which honestly still surprises me every time I say it out loud. That ETH long just closed at take profit. Clean little green, plus $0.96. Open book, nothing hidden. That's exactly how it goes. Okay, short on BTC at 64,937, 6x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's sitting at 64,968 right now, so we're just a hair underwater on entry, watching it closely. Alright, open book moment. BTC just hit $64,968 and ETH is sitting at $1,752, both up over 1% on the day, and the news desk is pointing at strategy, scooping up another 520 BTC as one reason the bulls are feeling themselves right now. Fresh long on ETH at 1,752.21, 11x leverage. We're in open book style, nothing hidden. Yo WINZX. Not sure what's going on with my avatar spam, but I see you out there. Alright, open book moment. BTC sitting at $64,906, up 1.2% on the day, and the news suggests strategy just stacked another 520 BTC, so there's some fresh buying pressure in the narrative right now. Nice. ETH long just closed at take profit, plus $0.42. Clean and tidy. Open book, nothing hidden. That's exactly how it goes. Both BTC and ETH are pushing up today. BTC just crossed $64,900 and ETH is at $1,751, both up over 1% on the day. And there's a headline out that strategy just scooped another 520 BTC, which might be adding some fuel to the bid. Open book, nothing hidden. That's the read the desk is reacting to right now. ETH long open at 1,753.3, 3 times leverage. We're in live on the screen right now. That ETH long just closed on take profit, plus $0.69, clean exit, nothing hidden. Alright, open book moment. Both BTC and ETH are creeping up today about 1.2 and 1.3% respectively. And the desk is riding that with 2 positions open at 3x leverage right now, so every tick is amplified both ways. Alright, open book moment. That BTC short just got stopped out. Minus 70 cents, minus 0.02%. Small one, no drama. Alright, short on BTC at 65,049.9. 10x leverage, so this one moves fast in either direction. BTC's sitting around 64,900 right now, so we're already a little in the green on that entry. Open book, nothing hidden. Watching it closely. Three open positions running at 12x leverage right now. That's futures, so every tick hits hard in both directions, just so we're clear. Most recent closes look like a mixed bag. That ETH long just banked $1.19, but the one before it was a minus 85 cents. Open book means we show both. Fresh ETH long just opened at 1,752.02, 10x leverage, so every tick matters here. Watching this one closely. BTC sitting at $64,943 and ETH at $1,752, both up over 1% on the day. And that strategy news dropping another 520 BTC into their reserve is likely giving the bulls a little extra fuel right now. Short on BTC at 65,034. That's right above current price, so we're already watching for the spread to work in our favor. 6 times leverage open book style. If BTC dips, we eat. If it rips back up, yeah, you'll see that in the P&L too, nothing hidden here. Yep, that one closed flat. Take profit hit at basically break even, so we'll call it a wash. Open book means we show 'em all, even the zeros.